We are in our adventure series book, lesson book level 1, and we are playing Young Hunter. And we're going to work on a new note in our right hand, treble A. We have C, D, E, F, G. Now we're going to add one more, A. So, Young Hunter is a song that all my boy students really like. There's something about this song that they really like. I don't know if it's the sound of the drums or what it is, but there's something very special about this song that young boys like. So let's look at this song real quick. Let's break this down. We are in 4/4 time. That means 4 beats a measure and the quarter note gets 1 count. We have a repeat sign at the ending of the first line. So that means we're going to play the first verse. Hunter that is never seen, back to the beginning, runs among the evergreen, lies low, waits for buffalo, lives beside the rushing stream, all the way to the end. Now remember, our tie is a line that connects the notes that are the same. So you play the first one and you hold it while your other hand is playing the bottom notes. So we have our legato cymbals, that means we play smoothly, and we have our staccato cymbals in the second line, that means we play detached, nice and short, crisp sounding notes. So here we are, our fourth finger, our ring finger is on A, and our left hand is on middle C. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, which lines of music are the same? And here's your challenge. Memorize this piece. We're looking for students of the week and musicians of the month. So one of the things you can do is memorize as much music as possible. Memorize it correctly and play it.